Welcome back to Hundreds of Tools. Whilst it's easy to overthink and get lost in all the different tool options, we're here to help you find the best car steam cleaners. A steam cleaner can help you get the job done with minimal effort. They are designed to provide chemical-free deep cleaning in a short amount of time, so using a steam cleaner is an efficient way to remove bacteria, tricky marks, dirt and stains from the interior or exterior of your vehicle and in your home. We ranked a range of car steam cleaners from handheld to heavy duty based on a number of different factors including product features, independent research and customer reviews. You can find the list of products in the description down below. Why not stick around to the end to see who hits the number one spot in our review. Before we begin, be sure to like the video and subscribe to stay up to date with the best tools, equipment and accessories out there for you. The car steam cleaner coming in at number 5 is the McCulloch MC1230 handheld steam cleaner. This versatile handheld steam cleaner is multi-purpose, using water heated to over 200 degrees Fahrenheit for chemical-free cleaning. It comes with 11 accessories including a scraper, brushes and extension hose, plus it has a lockable steam trigger for blasting away through tough grease and grime on your car, garage or home. The McCulloch MC1230 handheld steam cleaner has added scrubbing power to get rid of dirt and scuffs for automobile engines, tyres and much more. Number 4 on our list is the Wagner Spraytech 905E steam cleaner. This versatile automotive steam cleaner provides high temperature pressurized steam at 290 degrees Fahrenheit to kill any bacteria, loosen and dissolve dirt, grime and cut through grease, leaving your car looking and smelling fresh. It has 12 accessories to steam clean without chemicals and even hard to get to places in your car like the cup holders or door pockets, with a boiler tank that provides 45 minutes of continuous cleaning. The Wagner Spraytech 905E steam cleaner is multi-purpose and can be used in the garage, workshop or for household cleaning projects. The car steam cleaner coming in at number 3 is the Bissell Power Steamer. This is a 3-in-1 heavy-duty multi-purpose indoor and outdoor steam cleaning system which can be handheld or used with one of 25 accessories that are conveniently wall-mounted for storage. It is powerful, high-temperature steamer that cleans and sanitizes, so it eliminates 99.9% of germs and dirt, with variable steam modes and on-demand trigger for intensity and control. The Bissell Power Steamer is tough on mess and hard-sealed surfaces, fabrics or glass, to blast away stains, mold, grime and grease inside or outside your car, in the garage or workshop. Number 2 is the McCulloch MC1275 Heavy Duty Steam Cleaner. This heavy duty steamer is a professional quality cleaner that uses just ordinary water heated to over 200 degrees Fahrenheit to naturally clean a wide range of surfaces. It has a large water tank that provides 45 minutes of continuous steam and includes 18 accessories such as a powerful jet nozzle, floor mop attachment and extension wands. The McCulloch MC1275 steam cleaner is designed to tackle the toughest jobs throughout your workshop, garage or car to eliminate grease, grime and stains. Finally, coming in at number 1, the car steam cleaner that we recommend is the Dupre Neat steam cleaner. This steam cleaner is efficient and ultra reliable and is designed for performance, being quick and easy to use and durable, plus it is lightweight and portable. It delivers chemical-free cleaning power to remove dirt, grease and stains whilst killing 99.9% of bacteria, viruses and mold using the 6-foot 6-inch steam hose and 17 accessories, meaning you can reach anywhere. The Dupre Neat steam cleaner is a multi-purpose and can provide up to 50 minutes of 275 degrees Fahrenheit superheated deep cleaning to use in the garage, car or house. So that's it, the 5 car steam cleaners which got our team at Hundreds of Tools excited. If you have any helpful car detailing tips, do drop them in the comment section below. If you thought this video was useful, give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into the overwhelming world of tools. We look forward to seeing you and your projects again soon. Good luck.